Morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 4 on linear combination of random variable, we will discuss multiples of normal variables. The other 3 videos which are on the concept of linear combination of random variables, the sum of independent Poisson variable and sum of independent normal variables. I have attached the link in the description, or you can also find the link on my website or on my blog address. So let's continue with multiples of normal variables. So we will use this formula, and we have seen in detail the application of this formula in video number 1. So when we have a linear function given to us and we have to find new mean and variance, so mean is a times mean of x plus b, b is a constant, and in variance it becomes a square times variance of x, and constant of variance is 0, so we don't mention it. So this is what we will keep in our mind when we are doing multiples of normal variables. I have taken 2 examples here. One is very simple, and the other word problem is very interesting and very important also. The normal random variable x is normally distributed. Mean is given to you and standard deviation is given to you, right? You have to calculate the distribution of 3x. So distribution mean you have to find out its mean and its variance. So what is given to you in the question is mean of x, which is 10. What is written in words, I'm just writing in mathematical notation, right? So variance of x is equals to 2 square. So this is given to you, and you have to find out 3x, right? So when you have to find it of 3x, it will be 3 times mean of x. So 3 times 10, because mean of x is 10. Then for the variance of 3x, 3 square times variance of x. Again, you are taking the value from here and calculating. Now we will find out the distribution of 3x minus 5. So this is the answer of part 1. For part 2, the linear function is 3x minus 1. So it will be 3 times mean of x minus 5. Constant come as it is. So 3 times mean of x is 10. And you got 25. Now we have to find variance also, because question is saying find the distribution of it. So variance of 3x minus 5 will be 3 square times variance of x minus or plus nothing, because constant variance is 0. So you can see here also I have done it stepwise for you, though it is also fine here, but just little more breakup so that you can understand. So variance of x was 4, so we have written here, and this is how we found the distribution of 3x minus 5, right? And here it is of 3x. Now let's see a word problem, because when question is given in this form, it's easy to calculate mean and variance, but when it is given in the word problem, then you need to be very careful. So in this question, it is talking about weekly distances in kilometer covered by Mr. Perry and Mrs. Perry. And the distribution, normal distribution for both is given to you. Mr. Perry's mean is 512 kilometer and standard deviation is 62. Whereas for Mrs. Perry, normal distribution mean is 89 and standard deviation is 7.4. So first of all, let's write it in the mathematical notation or distribution form other than words, so it's easy to understand. So here it is. So exactly what is in the paragraph is written here in this form. So we are giving variable x name for Mr. Perry and variable y for Mrs. Perry. First part of the question is saying find the probability that in a randomly chosen week, so this information is about a week by the way here, Mr. Perry drives more than 5 times as far as Mrs. Perry. So what is the meaning of this? That x is greater than 5y, because x is representing Mr. Perry, y is representing Mrs. Perry. So x is greater than 5y, and this will become x minus 5y greater than 0. It means we have to find out the distribution for this. Only then we can apply z on this new distribution. So let's find out. Now here it is x minus 5y, and here we have already done linear function. This is linear combination of 2 independent variables. So let's call it d is equals to x minus 5y. So I will calculate the mean of it and variance of it. Okay, and then at the end we will calculate this probability. So we already have x and y, right, from the question. So to calculate mean of this, I will do mean of x minus 5 times mean of y, which is written here, and we have calculated. This is 5 times 89, mean of y. Okay, and then you have calculated it. For the variance of d, or variance of x minus 5y, it is variance of x plus, remember I told you in the normal distribution, when you are taking difference or addition, the variance is always added, right? So it is plus 5 square times variance of y, because of the formula we have seen earlier. So we are doing here variance of x is 62 square plus 5 square times variance of y, and we will get this. So now we have mean and variance for d, which is for x minus 5y. So once you have this distribution, now you can find out the probability of the question, right? This is just the breakup of what is done here. Okay, now here it is. So this is the question we have to find out, right? So you will change this d into z, and you know z is equals to x minus mu over standard deviation, right? So we have this distribution here already. So we are just using mu and variance here. And once we get the value of z, we can use standardized table and find out the probability. So this probability you have to calculate 0.928 z value. So I'm not going into the detail of it because it is understood that you know how to read the table and how to calculate the probability. So this is the probability you will get in 3 significant figure. Now, second part of the question, find the mean and standard deviation. Now, in the first part of the question, it was saying find the probability. Now it is saying find the mean and standard deviation of the total of weekly distance covered by Mr. and Mrs. Perry in miles. Now, this is very interesting. So you have to find out their mean and standard deviation in terms of miles for the total distance covered by Mr. and Mrs. Perry. In the question, everything is given for kilometer. So relation is given to you here. Okay. So total distance mean you will add x and y, whatever distance covered by Mr. Perry and Mrs. Perry. So we are calculating the new distribution for x plus y. So we are calling it t. So it will be mean of x plus mean of y. And we already have here x and y, so we are simply adding it up. 512 plus 89. Similarly, we will calculate variance of x plus y. We are calling it t. So variance of t. So it will be variance of x plus variance of y. We already have this distribution. Just add it up. So you got this also. So you have a new distribution for t. Okay. So for t, the distribution is, if you write here, it is 601, comma, this number. Okay. So you have gotten this. Now you have to give everything in what? In miles, not in kilometer. Now relation is given to you, 8 kilometers is 5 miles. It means 1 mile equals to what? 1 kilometer is equals to 1/5 of the mile. So this is forming a multiple case. So now the total distance in mile is 5/8 of the total distance in kilometer. So you got this function 5/8 of t. Makes sense? Because you have to find out everything in terms of miles. So in this question, this was hidden information and you had to calculate. Now you can easily calculate the mean and variance of this, because question is saying mean and standard deviation. Once we will have variance, we will take square root of it. So for the mean of 5/8 of t, you will do 5/8 of mean of t, which is 601, and you got it. And for the variance, what will you do? 5/8 square. I hope you remember it. And this is we have found in the previous part here, variance of t. So we are writing it and calculating it. So this is how you will calculate, and then you will take a square root. You will have a standard deviation and you will have mean of the question. I hope you have enjoyed this question. This was a very different question and a very good important question. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next last video, we will see 1 or 2 examples to distinguish between the sum and multiples of normal variable, where students usually get confused. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Do like and subscribe and share it with your friends.